Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm in my car. It's a Lamborghini. Let's get an outside view. Oh, fudge. There's no handle. The door handles. Let's see if I can open it from the inside. Handle take, pull, push. And have to run the window down. Oh. I was doing some donuts in it yesterday, some juice, when it was all nice and wet. That was quite cool. It's cold. Anyway, there's my bow. I was thinking of going hunting, but there's nothing. There's no ruse or anything. I'll just sit that right there. Look, we put a couch in the back. It used to be just like floor there. And so I put this couch here that I found. It's quite comfy. So like, you got your driver on the passenger seat, and then I'll just be sitting back. I'll be driving. But yes, my friend Terence came around like for a few days, and he had a spin in it. It was quite funny, very funny. Didn't know how to turn it into gear because it's a manual. Don't know if you can see it, but manual. I even got speakers right there. Yeah. Top quality speakers right there. The back door opens, and two back doors, they open. There's my spare tyre. And yeah. Where's that fly? Where's that fly? Anyway guys, peace out. I hope you enjoyed this video of me reviewing my car. Peace out.